The President's MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has facilitated with the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar GCON on his 77th birthday, describing him as an icon star. In a congratulatory message on Sunday, Professor Adamu Gwarzo extended his heartfelt facilitation to the former Vice President on the important milestone. He said the Turaki of Adamawa deserves to be celebrated at this auspicious occasion in view of his contributions to the development of education in particular and the Nigerian nation in general. The history of Nigeria cannot be completed without the mention of the founder of the American University of Nigeria and by extension the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar GCON. So on behalf of myself and MAAUN Group of Universities, I wish to use this opportunity to congratulate you on this occasion and pray to Almighty Allah to grant you many more years with good health, Professor Gwarzo said. While commending Atiku for his commitment to education and vision for establishing AUN, Professor Gwarzo further congratulated him for being honored by the institution that he established as part of his contribution to the development of education in Nigeria. He prayed that God would grant to the former Vice President a longer life, good health and strength to enable him continue to serve the nation.